Hello everyone, this is DevByte. Currently, our game is changing levels correctly, but there's one big problem. When we restart the game, all progress is lost because we're not saving anything yet. So in this video, we're going to fix that using Unity's built-in save system called PlayerPrefs. PlayerPrefs is Unity's built-in save system used to store small amounts of data on the player's device. And the best part is the data stays saved even after the player closes the game. PlayerPrefs is very simple and beginner-friendly, which makes it perfect for saving small game data. But for larger save systems, professional games usually use JSON files, databases, or custom save systems instead. It works using something called a key value system. Level completed is the key. 5 is the value being stored. Let's make our save system first. We need a variable that will store number of level completed. For this, we'll add a new integer in our game manager with the name of level completed. Open UI handler script, and inside our level complete method, we will save the next unlocked level there. First, we check, is the current level greater than or equal to the saved completed level? Why are we checking this? Because we don't want players to keep replaying the same level and continuously unlocking new levels. So only if the player reaches a new level, we save the next level unlock progress. Now we'll increment our previous completed level. As currently we only have 3 levels in our game, so we'll check if our level completed or greater. Then the number of our levels will make level completed to 0 for the time being. Now, to save data using PlayerPrefs, we need to use one of its set methods. Unity provides different save methods depending on the data type. SetInt for whole numbers, setFloat for decimal values, setString for text. And because levels are stored as numbers, setInt is a perfect choice here. This function takes 2 things, a key and a value. But for key first, here level completed will be our key. Think of the key like the name or label of the saved data. Value will be the number of our level completed. Whenever we want to load this value, we'll use the same key to retrieve it. Now, let's load this saved data. We need to load data at the start of our game. Open up our game manager script. We're doing this inside Awake because Awake runs at the very start when the object is initialized. And we want our saved level data to be loaded before the gameplay starts. Now we want the store value in our level completed variable. Now, instead of setInt, we'll use getInt because this time we want to retrieve or load saved data. And this is very important. We must use the exact same key that we use while saving. Now, after loading the saved level, we assign it to our current level variable. Let's test the game. We complete our first level. Let's click on Next button and stop the game. Now we have saved data value for our level completed variable. Let's play the game. Our save and load system is working. That's it from now. In the next video, we'll add actual character in our game and we'll work on animations for character. Follow DevByte and subscribe channel for more videos.